Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have 600 cubed minus 500 cubed. So we will write this algebraic expression into the simplified form, and calculator is not allowed in this problem. It means that we will show all of the working on this paper. So now we solve this problem for two methods. Here we will discuss our first method, and please write in comment section which method you liked, or if you have any other method, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here first we need to focus on this term. So here you see that we have this is 600 cubed minus 500 cubed, and now here first we write this 600 as 6 multiplied by 10 and its whole cubed minus this is 500, and we write it as 5 multiplied by 100 cubed. And after that we can apply here the algebraic formula. So you know about this algebraic law. We have if you have a multiplied by b and its whole power is m, we write it as a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. So according to this algebraic formula, so we write over this expression as here we can just apply these three separately on both of these terms, and it will be written as 6 cubed multiplied by 10 cubed minus here we write it as 5 cubed multiplied by, sorry, this is over 100. Okay, 100 times of 6 becomes 600. So this will be also written as 5 cubed multiplied by 100 cubed. Okay, so this is our 100 cubed, and now you see here we have 100 cubed with the common term, so that we will take common 100 cubed, and the remaining values are 6 cubed minus 5 cubed. So here we will just easily find the 6 cubed, and you very well know about the meaning of 6 cubed is that we will multiply the 6 on 6 times, and 5 cubed means that we will multiply 5 with 5 times. So now here in order to find 6 cubed without using the calculator, we will just write it as you see here. This is 6 times of 6 becomes 36, and 36 times of 6 becomes here 216. Okay, similarly you see here 5 5s are 25, and 25 5 becomes here 125. Okay, so that now we put these two values in here, so it will be written as so our this expression is implies that 100 cubed into this is 6 cubed equals to 216 minus 5 cubed equals to 125. So we need to subtract 216 with 125. So 6 minus 5 becomes 1. Here we carry 1, it will becomes 11, and here we get 1 only. 11 minus 2 becomes 9. So we get here 216 minus 125 equals to 91. So we get here 100 cubed multiplied by 91. Here we need to find the 100 cubed. So in order to find the 100 cubed, we will just you see here the cube of 1 is equals to 1, and here we have these three zeros. So if you have cube, then you can write these these two zeros 3 times. This means that we write here this 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 as well, and it is multiplied by 91. So 91 multiplied by this term is equals to 91 million. So this is our 1 million, and after multiplying this you get here 91 million. So we write it as 91 0 0 and 0 0 0. So this is the our final simplified form of the given expression by using the first method. Okay, so here we move forward, and we can again solve this problem for the second method, and I hope so you like both of these methods. So for second method, we first need to copy down the given question statement. Here it is 600 cubed minus 500 cubed. Now we can apply here the cubic formula here. So you know about the cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we will apply this nice formula. So according to this formula, here you see that the value of our a is 600, the value of b is 500. So we substitute these two values in this formula and it will be written as, first we have a minus b, the value of a is 600 minus the value of b is 500, into here you have a square, a is 600 square plus ab, again our a is 600 multiplied by b is 500 plus b square. So here our b is 500 square. So now we need to simplify these terms in order to get our answer. So 600 minus 500 equals to 100 only, and here you see that in order to find the square of 600, you can just take the square of 6. So we know that the square of 6 becomes 36, and we will double these two zeros, so it will becomes 4 zeros. Plus here we need to multiply the 600 with 500. So here you consider this is our 1-digit number, this is our 3-digit number. So when you multiply this 0 with this complete number, you get 0. When we multiply this 0 with this complete number, we again get 0. So when you multiply this 5 with this number, you get here 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. So you get here 3 and 5 zeros. Plus similarly here you have the square of 500. So here you just take the square of 5, it is equals to 25, and you doubled these zeros. So these are 2 zeros. When you doubled it, it will becomes here 4 zeros. And now in the next step, here we need to sum up all these values, and you see here after adding all of these values, it will be written as this is our 100 into here first we add these two values, you get here 3 6 and 4 zeros, plus here we add this 0 with 0, 0 plus 0 becomes 0, this 0 plus this 0 becomes 0, this 0 plus this 0 becomes 0, this 0 plus 5 becomes here 5, this 0 plus 2 becomes here 2, and we get this 3 only. Okay, and now in the next step we need to add these two values. So you see here this 0 plus 0 becomes 0, this 0 plus this 0 is 0, this 0 plus this 0 is becomes 0, this 0 plus 5 is 5, this 6 plus 2 is 8, and this 3 plus this 3 becomes here 6, and we can just multiply it by 100. Here we have a little mistake for adding these values. So here you see that these are 4 zeros. When you add these 4 zeros, we will get these 4 zeros, and after that we have this 0 plus 5 is 5, and this 3 plus 2 becomes here 5. So this term will becomes here 5 only. And when you add these values, so you have these 4 zeros and these are 4 zeros, we will get here these 4 zeros. And after that we have this is 6 plus 5 becomes 11. We write here 1 and carry 1, 3 plus 5 become 8, 8 plus 1 becomes here 9. So you get here it will be written as 100 multiplied by 91 and 4 zeros. So when you multiply this 100 with this value, so you get here 91 and 6 zeros. Okay, so 2 4 and 6. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.